We're about to see Joseph get smoked by a Honda Civic. That motherfucker is flying. He's on the other side, bro. There, now it's an even race.
Hey, I got the same motor. In here, 250 horsepower, 5-speed automatic.
It will smoke this shit. Holy shit! See?
Third gear! I was only in third gear!
Oh shit.